Hi, I am Harshini. We had lots of paneer roses bloom at once in our home garden. So I chose to make Gulkand. These are the ingredients needed: a glass jar with lid, rose petals, an equal amount of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Let's start. Take fresh paneer roses. Pluck only the petals and throw away the stem. Wash the petals in a bowl of water. Strain the water and dry the petals by spreading them on a towel. Chop the rose petals finely. Take a dry glass jar. Add 1 layer rose petals and another layer sugar. Repeat adding rose petals and sugar layer by layer. Finally, I will add 1 teaspoon honey. Close the lid and keep the jar in the sunlight daily for 1 week. After 1 week, remove the lid and mix it. Tasty Gulkand is ready to eat. I like to eat it with vanilla ice cream. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.